Hey kid, I got some gum for you. It's way better than those cough drops. They last longer and they taste great.